on this radio.
Alright, we're still on lead. 41, spinning out.
Welcome to the place where chaos meets speed. Every second is a heart-pounding journey you won't want to look away from. We bring you intense chases, daring stunts, and non-stop action that will immerse you in the thrill of adrenaline.
111, 110.
On the evening of February 7, 2024, Tantytown Police in Arkansas received a report about a stolen U-Haul speeding at 120 Meek, carrying guns and Molotov cocktails.
Red 83, heavy traffic about to go right now. Gang 5, heavy traffic coming up to 49, coming up King George. Approaching King George. Hey, we're stopped out here, so it's getting big man. You got.
During the pursuit, one officer's vehicle got stuck and 4 patrol cars were damaged. The suspect faces multiple serious charges and was already wanted for attacking police officers in Michigan.
Heavy traffic right now. 85. Heavy traffic coming up to 49. Coming up to King George. Approaching King George. You able to DVR or no? No, not yet. Yeah, you're about down here. Pick up. DVR. Sorry, 1016. Sorry, down. Unit correct. Sorry, what's fine, I guess. Medicals and rounds. Air back deployed, air back. Air back.
At around 3:52 p.m. on December 7, 2022, a KSD deputy spotted a stolen vehicle at Walmart, 3500 Brumback Boulevard. When stopped, the female driver claimed she had no documents. She quickly sped away, leading to a pursuit. Pleasant Prairie Police assisted by deploying tire deflation devices on I-94. Eventually, both the woman and a male passenger were arrested without incident and taken to Kenosha County Jail. On the morning of October 12, 2022, Wheatland police stopped a Dodge Challenger driven by David R. Matoska for speeding over 100 mph. Matoska fled, leading to a short pursuit. He eventually stopped at the Bristol Cove apartment parking lot. Matoska was arrested with a handgun found in his car, and no one was injured.
Car! Get out of the car! Put out of the car! Put out of the car! Put your hands on the car! Both hands! Both hands! Get in the house! Both hands on the car! Both hands! Both hands in the fucking car! Both hands! Put your hands up! Turn around! 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 Walk back to the sound of my voice! Hands up! Hands up! Walk back! Walk back! Walk back!
111, 110.
In July 2024, Dutch police spotted a car with fake plates. The driver, realizing he was being followed, attempted to flee. However, since it was a minor violation, the police controlled the situation by keeping the suspect on the highway, waiting for the right moment to stop the car safely. The chase ended when the car lost control and crashed into a barrier. The suspect was arrested immediately afterward. On Wednesday afternoon, June 12, 2024, Atlanta police pursued a blue Tesla involved in a shooting.
A firm Fair and Peters, permission to pit. Call next, stand by.
Sounds like you're alone. Do you still have a secondary unit?
That's a negative. Continuing over McDaniel. Yes, I do have a secondary unit, if they can call it.
After spotting the suspect vehicle, police and the APD air unit tracked it through Lee St. SW.
Almost 41, we are still southbound Whitehall, crossing over RDA. Almost 41, we are still southbound Whitehall, crossing over RDA.
Anyone talking on this radio?
We're still on Lee. 41, spinning out.
The driver lost control, abandoned the car, and fled on foot, but was captured after a brief chase. 2 suspects in the car were arrested at the scene and a gun was recovered. All suspects were taken into custody.
Black pants, black sneakers. Alright, he's going to be
111, 110.
At 12:17 p.m. on January 28, 2024, Brooksville police spotted a 2022 Dodge Challenger speeding on State Road 50.
State Road 50 at Honeywood Street. Florida 28, Juliet Yankee, Tango 50, gray Dodge Challenger. Left from you, almost got me stopped. I need another unit, somebody's got a pit ball, so you help me out. I see a unit ahead. Signal first. Oh, you cross the medium, grass medium. Signal 12 whiskey. Signal 12 whiskey.
Signal 12 whiskey.
Hit. Signal. Oh, we're going back. We're back westbound. Back eastbound.
When they tried to stop the car, the driver fled, leading to a 7-mile chase. A PIT maneuver attempt failed, and the suspect's car continued until it crashed. The driver, Brandon Corey Johnson, who did not have a valid driver's license, was arrested. 3 passengers were in the car, including 2 minors.